So, yeah, let's talk about Crafter Console. This one's a bit different from the smaller projects I usually share here. It's not a 5-minute Swift UI app. This is a full-on solo dev version of App Store Connect. It's big, it's ambitious, and it's the kind of thing that if you're an indie dev, you probably already know exactly what value you'd want it to have for you. Apple's App Store Connect API is massive, like really massive. Pretty much everything you can do inside App Store Connect, from viewing your app's metadata and builds to managing in-app purchases to checking customer reviews, even monitoring submissions. It's all exposed through that API. It's wild. You can build dashboards, automate uploads, check review statuses, and do all of it without ever opening a browser. So in this project, I've included a smaller subset of that API, just enough to get you going. The essentials you'll need to start building your own version of what I'm calling Crafter Console. Once you go through the steps in the project, you'll have the foundation you need to expand it however you want. Seriously, the potential here is huge. You could turn this into a personal indie analytics dashboard, or maybe go further, automate parts of your release flow, or even integrate a bit of AI to handle things like writing release notes or managing localizations automatically. And yeah, that's the part I'm most excited about, giving it a bit of an AI flavor. I'm already experimenting with connecting it to Claude Code to see if I can streamline the whole app publishing pipeline. Imagine dropping your build, letting the AI prep your metadata, generate your screenshots, and send it off to App Store Connect with a single click. That's the dream, and that's exactly where this project is headed. So, yeah, go ahead and download the zip file below. Make it yours. Your version's probably going to look totally different from mine anyway, and that's honestly the best part. You already know what data you care about, what workflow you wish was faster, what would save you time. Tweak it, break it, totally make it yours. And if you've got access to the Playbook teamspace, all the markdown files are in there. The PRD to see where this project's heading, a rules.md for some internal dev guidelines, and an article.md that lays out how the App Store Connect API logic ties together. It's all there, so you or any AI coding agent can keep building on it without starting from scratch. So yeah, make it better than what I've got here, or maybe use it as the spark for your own version. If you want to dive deeper or you get stuck somewhere in the setup, hit me up below or hop into the lab Discord. I'll definitely be posting updates about this one and other resource categories because honestly, Crafter Console is going to keep evolving, and who knows? Next year we might even build our own Crafter app store. Anyway, that's Crafter Console. Big project, big potential, but super rewarding if you stick with it. Keep crafting, keep learning, and yeah, ship it. Peace.